Congratulations, Makenna and Les, our BKY Award winners fall 2020. I'm about to sign your awards, and they're gonna send them over to you on drones. Global leadership for the 4th Industrial Revolution. We're so proud of you.
You guys are T-birds in every single way. And you know, we're in this pandemic this year again. We have to be healthy and safe, but we want to celebrate you and your families, all your accomplishments. And because we are the most global and digital leadership management and business school in the world, I decided I'm going to send you your awards by drones. How cool is that?
Makenna and Les.